In this video I'm going to show you how to use invisible filter on Snapchat. That's quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, open up your Snapchat and here tap on that effects icon right here next to record button, and then select search icon right here and beside the profile icon, and there in search bar type in invisible. Here is the filter that I need, invisible filter. I'll select that, and then now you can see how it works. Here is the short tutorial how to use that filter. You can check this out. And now to use that filter you need to make that gesture like that, and now you see I was disappeared. And if I make this gesture again, now I am visible. So now you can make short video, tap and hold on record button, then make such gesture and put your finger out of the screen, and now you see that I made such video, and now you can see how it looks like. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.